Hey everybody, Murtaza here. As we all know, the holidays are a time for joy, family, and celebration. But let's be real, they can also be a time for serious overspending and unwanted credit card debt. We've all been there, right? That's why in this video, we're going to tackle those holiday expenses head on and make sure you start the new year with your bank account still intact. We're going to walk through creating a holiday budget, step by step, so you can enjoy the holidays without the financial hangover. I'm talking about setting realistic limits, tracking your spending like a hawk, and finding those awesome deals and hacks to keep your wallet happy. So grab your favorite holiday drink, get cozy, and let's make this holiday season one where you can truly relax and enjoy, knowing you've got your finances under control. Okay, let's be honest, nobody actually the word budget. It feels restrictive, right? But trust me, a holiday budget isn't about depriving yourself of holiday cheer. It's about giving yourself permission to spend, strategically. Think of it like this. A budget is just a plan for your money. And when you have a plan, you're way less likely to wake up in January wondering where all your money went. Without a plan, it's way too easy to get caught up in the excitement of the holidays. You see a cute decoration, a gift for your cousin, suddenly you're dropping hundreds, even thousands, without even realizing it. That's why having a budget is crucial, especially during the holidays. It helps you prioritize what really matters, whether that's travel, gifts, or those epic holiday meals. And the best part? Less financial stress means you can actually enjoy the holidays more. You can focus on spending time with loved ones, making memories and all that good stuff instead of stressing about your credit card bill. So, are you ready to take control of your holiday spending and start the new year strong? I thought so. Let's dive into how to build a budget that actually works. Alright, let's break down how to create a holiday budget that aligns with your income and ensures you have a stress-free festive season. And your holiday goals. No complicated spreadsheets, I promise. We're going to keep it simple and straightforward. First things first. How much can you realistically spend this holiday season? Take a look at your income and your regular monthly expenses. Be honest with yourself about how much wiggle room you have. This step is crucial to avoid any financial stress later on. Next, list out everything you plan to spend money on during the holidays. We're talking gifts, travel, decorations, food, those holiday outfits. Get it all down on paper. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Now here comes the fun part. Assign a spending limit to each category. Be realistic here. If you know you tend to overspend on gifts, challenge yourself to set a lower budget this year. It's all about making conscious choices. Remember, it's okay if your initial budget needs some tweaking. The important thing is to have a starting point. And as you go through the process, you can adjust your spending limits based on your priorities. Flexibility is key. For example, if you find that travel is eating up a huge chunk of your budget, maybe you can cut back on decorations or find less expensive gift ideas. It's all about finding that balance and making sure your spending aligns with what's most important to you. Don't forget to factor in any potential unexpected expenses that might pop up during the holidays. It's always a good idea to have a little buffer in your budget for those just-in-case moments. This will give you peace of mind. Once you have your budget set, write it down somewhere you can easily refer back to it. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. The method doesn't matter as long as it works for you. The key is to have a visual reminder of your spending limits, so you can stay on track throughout the holiday season. Trust me, having that budget in front of you will make you think twice before making those impulse purchases. Stick to your plan, and you'll enjoy a more relaxed and joyful holiday. Okay, you've got your holiday budget set. Awesome. But setting a budget is just the first step. Now let's talk about how to actually stick to it. This is where the real challenge begins. Because, let's be real, a budget is only as good as your ability to track your spending. Without tracking, it's easy to lose sight of your financial goals. The good news is, tracking your expenses doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be quite empowering. There are tons of easy and even fun ways to stay on top of your spending. Let's explore some of the best methods. First up, we've got budgeting apps. These digital tools connect directly to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions. Popular options include Mint, Personal Capital, and YNAB. Each offers unique features tailored to different needs. If you're more of a spreadsheet person, no problem. Spreadsheets offer a customizable way to track your finances. You can create your own spending tracker using Google Sheets or Excel. This method gives you full control over your data. Another great option is the cash envelope system. Withdraw cash for each budget category and place it in separate envelopes. Once an envelope is empty, you've reached your spending limit for that category. It's a straightforward way to avoid overspending. Whichever method you choose, the key is to be consistent with your tracking. Consistency turns budgeting into a habit. The more you track your spending, the more aware you'll become of your spending habits. Awareness is the first step to change, and that awareness is key to making informed decisions about your money and avoiding overspending regrets. So start tracking today and take control of your finances. Let's get real. The holidays can put a serious dent in your bank account. But fear not, my friend, because I'm about to share some ninja-level money-saving tips that will have you feeling like a financial wizard. First up, let's talk about gifts. Instead of breaking the bank on expensive presents, why not get creative with DIY gifts? Not only are they thoughtful and personal, but they can also save you a ton of cash. Think homemade candles, baked goods, personalized ornaments. The possibilities are endless. Plus, who doesn't love receiving a gift that was made with love? Next, become a master of sales and discounts. Sign up for email lists of your favorite stores and keep an eye out for those Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. You can score some serious savings if you plan your shopping strategically. Another great tip is to compare prices before you buy. Don't just settle for the first price you see. Use price comparison websites or apps like Honey or Camel to make sure you're getting the best possible deal. And speaking of deals, don't forget to check out thrift stores and online marketplaces for gently used items. You can often find amazing deals on everything from decorations to clothing. When it comes to holiday meals, consider hosting a potluck-style gathering where everyone brings a dish to share. This not only takes the pressure off of you, but also allows everyone to contribute and saves you money on groceries. And finally, don't underestimate the power of free activities. Instead of spending money on expensive outings, opt for budget-friendly options like ice skating, caroling, or simply enjoying the festive decorations around town. We've talked about budgeting, tracking expenses, and finding deals. These are essential steps in managing your finances. But the real challenge is sticking to your budget when surrounded by tempting holiday treats and shiny new things. How do you resist impulse purchases? It's possible with the right mindset and strategies. Here are a few strategies to help you win the battle against overspending. Remember your why. This is your anchor and motivation. Reflect on your initial goals and aspirations. Imagine the relief of starting the new year debt-free. Visualize your dream home and the steps needed to get there. Keep your reason at the forefront when tempted to overspend. Avoid shopping when emotional. Emotions can cloud judgment. Recognize triggers to prevent impulsive decisions. Find healthier ways to cope with emotions, like talking to a friend or going for a walk, or listening to your favorite music. Plan your shopping trips in advance. Make a list and stick to it. Avoid browsing aimlessly. Consider leaving your credit cards at home and only bringing the amount of cash you've budgeted. This will physically limit your spending. Don't be afraid to say no to social events or gift exchanges that don't align with your budget. Set boundaries and prioritize your financial well-being. So there you have it, folks. We've covered everything from creating a realistic holiday budget to tracking your expenses like a pro and finding those awesome money-saving deals. Remember, the holidays are about spending time with loved ones and creating lasting memories, not about breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can have a happy and financially stress-free holiday season too. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you all a joyous holiday season filled with love, laughter, and of course financial peace of mind.